Hi, this is Betsy Pruitt with bellyfeathers.com, and I want to share with you a fun new way to wish your friends and family happy birthday on Facebook. So when it's your friend's birthday, you go to type on her wall, and this is how it looks. Pretty awesome, but what if you want to do something extra special? This is what a shareable greeting looks like. A nice image of a handmade card or gift tag, a special greeting, and a message that you get to write yourself. How cool is that? So let's take a look at how you do it. So you go to Facebook, you search for Belly Feathers or facebook.com/bellyfeathers. Then you get taken to this page. On this large image that says shareable greetings, just give it a click. Then this page gives you super simple instructions to follow. Just click on this link to get taken to an album full of shareable greetings that are all handmade by yours truly, Betsy at Belly Feathers. Just click on the image you want to use, then hit share. From the share drop-down, you select on a friend's timeline. Type in your friend's name, then write the special birthday message that you want to appear, and hit share photo. It's that easy. And this is how it shows up on their timeline. Pretty awesome. So if you want to use shareable greetings, just go to Belly Feathers on Facebook, facebook.com/bellyfeathers. Thanks so much.